Hi guys, welcome to my space. I'm Freedom, and today I'll be walking you through the Excel 101 course. This is recordings from my just concluded Excel 101 class January session. So I think the next session is going to be in the next quarter. But for now, for a couple of people, they made a request on me having the recordings available. So I said, why not just make a structured course out of the recordings so you could find it and have it. So on my Mainstack store right now, I have a course available, which I believe when you're seeing this is going to be live. This is the course outline. So you have access to what the course outline looks like. So we started from the foundation and data entry, data validation as well, just to understand the spreadsheet systems. You could see the introduction to spreadsheet, and we did a little comparison with Excel and Google Sheet at the same time. So let me show you how the content for each class looks like. And for each class, you're going to find the video content. So this is a class recordings you could watch. And also you can also have access to some of the file. This is our framework we're going to be making use of for the 5 weeks. So the 5 weeks framework. So you could see how the class is going to move at. This is the pace at which, and we're going week by week. But for this, I just make it structured. So just in case you have a session you just want to take or learn about, you can also have access to that. Then PDF downloadable, couple of other things. Normally for each week we study, we have 3 sessions, 2 sessions for main learning, and the third one will be for correction after each assignment, because after learning you need something practical to learn with. Then for the second class, for every module you're going to find your assignment. Once you do that, you could check your assignment guide and you can have access to the assignments. This is from week 1. And once you get access to your assignment, you do that. After you conclude your assignment, you can then watch the correction from that assignment on the class 3. So this happened for a couple of other weeks. For week 2, same thing, content, same thing. So you could see what you're going to be learning from each module you could find here. So this is about 6 modules you could find. We did from core Excel functions to logic with our lookup function, a couple of other things. Then we did table, pivot tables, dynamic reports here. We learned a couple of statistics like percentile, summary, histogram, frequency, and a couple of other things. Then we move from there to learning data Power Query to understand how to use the ETL system, build a mind about having to have access to data from multiple sources. Then from there, we move to Power Pivots, data modeling, KPI reporting, a couple of other things you could do. So this is a very solid foundation if you want to learn Excel or you want to learn Excel at your own pace. This will be available for you so you could have access to this course. So if you're saying this is available already, so you could have access to it. Check the link on my bio. You could check the link under this post. You should be able to find the link and have access to this. So for now, if you have any more questions, you could send a DM. You could mail me at info@obo.com.ng and a couple of other things. So for now, have a great day and bye, guys. Bye.